Hello everyone. So today we will be exploring another powerful link from which you can make websites in minutes, if not websites, the landing pages. So this is one of the Hugging Face website connected to DeepSite. All the links. So just coming back to it, we'll create a landing page. So uh, design a landing page for a website for kids stories from different mythologies. Okay, create let's define the prompt. Create a landing for design a landing page for a website. Keep it uh, mm, keep it innovative, creative, and kids friendly. Of course, it will help. Let's see. So the timer is 20 to 50. 10:50 it is, right? 10:51. Here we go. So here we go. So it has started making the website and the clock is ticking. Slowly and gradually you will see the magic. Mhm. So you can see it. Not even a minute. And our landing page is popping up. So that page is mythic tales, stories, characters, games about discover magical world. So just to make it more clear. So it is just a landing page, right? It is not a fully fledged website. So as of now, yes, you can make fully fledged website using AI. There are different tools, Vercel, Replit, Cursor. So there are AI applications, tools which can help you to make fully fledged website. But this is just an example like how fast things are moving in the world of AI, where people used to like takes hours to create just landing pages. Whereas you can see I've just given a prompt, one line prompt, and the prompt is not good. I accept that. But regardless of that, we are able to create a website. So it will keep on creating, ensuring that whatsoever I have given in the small prompt is there in the website. 1 minute. 2 minutes now. hmm So not in a minute. It's taking 2 to 3 minutes. But again, it depends on like what we are making. If we are making very simple websites like blogging websites, then it should not take more than 2 or 3 minutes again. Considering that we have asked for a website related to kids, and when we talk about kids, there is no boundaries. Like the universe is all open, broad, open. Lot and again stories coming into the picture. So endless stories, different mythologies, Greek, Nordic, Indian, and Chinese, Japanese, all wonderful mythologies, some very good stories with moral lessons. So it is taking time. So meanwhile, let me know in the comments like what all tools you have been using and if you have developed any website using AI. If not, this is a very small step that you can take just to bring on the confidence into you. Okay, okay, and just to know about like how things are happening. This is an HTML code that is running here. It is taking 3 minutes now. Okay, I think okay, still in the making. So you can see 488, 89. That's the counting is still going around all the things, and you can of course see your code, like what code it is. It is HTML. Yes, of course, the basic language. I cannot touch it. Okay, so here we go. So 3 minutes, and we are ready with a landing page of the website. Yes, there are some images which are missing. Dragon, unicorn. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, journey through an enchanted lands with story from Greek, Norse, and other mythologies. Because the sticks flies, the phoenix rebirth, Thor's mighty hammer, uh, and the characters. So the pictures are missing. Yes, that is acceptable again, considering it was a very rough prompt, and also the model that has been called to make the website. It is a multi-model or not. It depends. A lot of things are here dependent. So fun activities, mythology match, fill the quiz, what to say. Okay, wonderful. So you can see complete landing page. Yes, improvements are there. There is a scope of improvement, but you can use other websites. So we will be exploring those as well. As of now, just try it out. Just comment, share the link, and I will share you the link. Otherwise, you can of course see the link over here. But if you want the link, just let me know. Comment it. I will share the link as well. Thank you very much. Have a good day ahead.